Good morning, people. I thought I would just give you guys a little tour of where I'm staying. This is Kimmi, Healthy Life with Kimmi. And remember, I've been talking about last few videos sharing the property with people. So this is where we're actually staying. I'll give you a quick tour while everybody is asleep. Looking at the beach. And it's a little further, as I saw, showed you in previous videos. But that's a beach house next door. And then I'm just gonna give you a quick tour in here. So this is one of two sitting areas for breakfast. Got one here. This is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. Nice artwork throughout. So this is our kitchen right here. See, we've been cooking. My friend made cookies last night. So we share all the expenses. Got a little island. Still trying to do the healthy thing even on vacation. Got some bananas, tangerines, avocados, kiwi, and garlic. I brought my blender right there. Got my blender. So this is a second of two seating areas right here. Now that is some jelly bellies on the table. They say we was doing it perfect. Refrigerator. I'll show y'all the inside of there. So my friend does Weight Watchers too, so got a lot of healthy stuff, you know, and everybody here is pretty much trying to do healthy eating. She made some really good lemonade. I'll show you that. I got a lot of little tipping cooks, a lot of cooking tips rather, watching other people how they cook. So that's been nice. So y'all be seeing it on the channel. This is our outside. It's a very small outside area. Very small. I'm gonna try to hurry up before people come. This is some storage. Okay, these are 2 bedrooms down here. This is one of 2 living spaces. The other one upstairs look just like this. And then we got a TV. The view is beautiful, okay? And again, on our own, we couldn't afford this, okay? This is a half bath down here. Remember I told you every floor has its own. This is just the view from the other side. We've been enjoying ourselves outside. We do have a pool, but it's cold, so we can't really enjoy it. Okay, I'm about to make smoothies. Okay, this is downstairs, bedroom down there. Then I'm gonna make smoothies right quick. So again, we see all the toilet paper and stuff we just buy. Okay, that's paper towel. So you can do the same thing with your friends. Again, on our own, it would be expensive to rent this place. I'm gonna take you outside just for a minute. So this is the little patio area for this one. There's 2 of these. Okay, so this is more, that's like a resort over there. And then we got our pool. Don't let my phone drop in there. We have a pool, but it's a little cool because we're off season. Let me show you the pool again. Yeah, it's off season. Telling us when people come here next week, what we paid is gonna be 3 times the cost. 3 times. The same house that we have next week is gonna be like $7,000. Yep. 7,000. I'll talk to y'all while I make my smoothie. Put the camera right here. Let's see. Uh-oh. How'd that work? Yeah, that could work for a minute. Kind of awkward. Hold on. But I didn't really plan on even filming this. So I'm doing the best I can. Let's try that. Yeah, that's cool. So I'm gonna make my smoothie while I talk to y'all. So yeah, like I was saying, get with your friends. And these are some cookies my friend made yesterday. And these are better than, she made these oatmeal cookies. They so good. I'm gonna eat a couple of those, but her recipe is really Weight Watchers friendly, because she does Weight Watchers too. Ooh. So it's Weight Watchers friendly. So we're gonna make our smoothie though. We are gonna put an avocado in there today. We're gonna put an avocado. We're gonna put a banana. Let me cut the light on. We're gonna put an avocado, banana. I was looking, let me see if I can cut the light on. I'm trying to hurry up before everybody comes because I don't usually film my friends. I don't. I'm gonna rinse off the avocado. So yesterday I ate bacon. I had bacon yesterday. Guys, we went to take pictures on the beach. And when I tell you, I could barely walk. Look at that, it's ripe. When I tell y'all I could barely walk yesterday, I could barely walk. That bacon and nitrates had my body hurting so bad. So today I'm starting off the day the correct way with my smoothie. Take the little piece off the little pit off the avocado. I'm starting the day off the right way with my smoothie. And today my friend's mom is going to actually boil the bacon. I've never heard of such. But she's gonna boil it. Hold on, let me get my berries. Berries. So even though I'm on vacation, my friend had a grocery list brought in from Walmart. And everybody put on the list what they wanted. So I put this on there. Because again, even though I'm on vacation, I ain't trying to just throw my whole diet to the side. You know, my whole lifestyle change. Shoot. And it's hard. It's not as hard with the group I'm with, Blueberry. It's not as hard with the group I'm with because they all pretty health conscious, which is a blessing. And we've been eating here. We've not eaten one meal out yet. It never was the plan to eat out because we've got so much food. So it never was our plan to eat out anyway. No, it never was the plan to eat out. So I got my blueberries, my strawberries. I'm gonna put that back and get the ginger. Hold on. Hold up, wait a minute. I think this is the ginger. Hold on. No, hold on. Where's my ginger? Hold on, guys. I'm getting the ginger. I boiled my ginger the other day, and I'm looking for it. Oh shit. I think this is it. My friend is very organized, so I think she put it in a baggie for me. I'm gonna go ahead and put some spinach in there too. This might not even blend. It may not even blend. I got so much stuff. Let me close the refrigerator. Okay, let's see, can we get the ginger in there? And then we're gonna blend it up. This is my liquid gold, I call it. Liquid gold, my ginger. Let me see. I'm filming, huh? Really quick. I'm just wrapping up a smoothie.
Oh, okay. I'll see y'all.
Okay.
Hi, peoples.
I always cover people up. Y'all know I don't show my friends. I was showing them your cookies, though. Are your cookies WW friendly?
No.
Oh, they not? Okay, y'all lied.
They are all.
I lied.
No. Don't be on a diet.
Okay, I lied. They are not WW friendly. I lied. But they still healthier than buying them at the store.
It is.
Because you got all natural ingredients. She ain't got no MSG included, and she ain't got nothing like that. So
Nope.
It's still healthier than eating at the store. So I do thank you for sharing your recipe with us. Well, that. I might get a recipe and try to copy it for y'all. She's been doing a lot of our cooking for us. And I like what she does. And I always say she, like Jeffrey, they cook with love. So when I cook, you know, I'm going to slop it together. But not slop, but, you know, I don't take as much time and energy with some of the stuff that they do. So that's just keeping it 100. I simplify stuff. That's just how I roll in every part of my life. Somebody else could do something and I admire it and I'm like, oh, that's super dope. But I'ma always err on the side of doing it a little simpler. So this bottle of water was here, so I don't know whose it was, so I'm not gonna use that. You're not in the camera.
You know what? I use it.
Can I use it for the smoothie?
Yeah, you can. I actually just poured it in something I was cooking yesterday.
I figured as much, but I just wasn't sure. Okay. So since she didn't drink out of it, we're gonna go ahead and do this. So this one I'm gonna make for me and Jeff, and then I'm gonna make another one because all my friends wanted it yesterday. But I really want to make sure I get a whole one in my body today. So let me show y'all the finished product. Okay. So what we got in here, we got avocado, banana, strawberries, blueberries, ginger, and I don't think I missed nothing. Oh, spinach. Okay. So let's get to spinning, and then we're gonna show y'all the finished product. And I'm gonna get out of here before everybody wake up, because again, I don't like to get my friends on camera. So y'all can see I got too much stuff. It won't even mix, right? So when that happens, I have to unscrew it and then try to mix it around, because I do have a lot in here. And I do that a lot, unfortunately. Hold on. I got so much stuff in here. It won't even spin. So when that happens, you just add a little more liquid to it. I'm going to add a little more liquid, and then it should spin. I try not to do it because I don't want to break my blender. But sometimes I'm rushing. I'm just tired. All right, let's see. Let's do it again. I'm going to turn it for y'all. Hold on. There we go. All right, perfect. Perfect. So it's okay. Sometimes it takes a couple steps. Doing the healthy way always take more time anyway. Y'all know that. It always takes more time. So another reason you want a vacation like this too is because you can control what you eat. You can control what you're eating, you know. I'm going to get a glass. I usually like to have my smoothie in a glass so I can see all that goodness. These are kind of small, but this is all we got on vacation home. So this will be for me. Look at all that goodness. Yes. All that goodness. Okay. I put a lot of ginger in this one today. And here's one for my husband. And I'll make another little shot glass for my friends. Deliciousness. Look. And you can't even taste all that stuff in there. So I usually start my day with my hot vinegar water, and that's what I'm gonna do. So my smoothie is made because we have a little 9 o'clock thing we do together every morning. And I'm gonna drink my hot water, and then I'm gonna drink my smoothie. And then for breakfast this morning, I'm gonna still have like some eggs and maybe just a piece of toast. Because again, your girl was hurting yesterday. So that's it. I just wanted to show y'all one more time our little hookup here. And, you know, bring your stuff with you. And this is where I'm at. This is how I'm living. Not balling, but we're sharing the expenses, okay? So until next time, guys, this is Kimmy. Bye.